Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I honestly can't believe December is going to be here before we even know it, and that means the holiday season and Christmas time is literally right around the corner, which is so crazy to think about. I can't believe how fast 2017 has gone by. It's literally crazy. Anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you some DIYs that you can recreate for the holiday season. All these DIYs are very simple to recreate and they are also very affordable. As you guys can tell, this DIY is super simple to recreate. All you really need is a foam cone, which you can pick up from a dollar store or a craft store. You will need a bunch of pine cones, which you can either buy or pick up from outside. If you are getting them from outside, I definitely recommend to let them dry out for a few days just because they will expand. And this whole DIY project is to resemble a tree, so you want the bigger pine cones to be at the bottom and gradually work up to smaller pine cones. So all you really need to do is hot glue it to the foam cone, and I definitely recommend to paint it black, as you guys can see I did here, just because the little gaps in between each pine cone, you don't want to see white or anything like that. Once you finish your pinecone tree, you can honestly add anything to it. Something that I wish I did was buy some frosted spray paint and spray it so it looks like snow is on the pine cones. I think that would be really cute. Anyways, this DIY is super simple and very affordable to recreate. I just love how it brings some nature elements into your room, and again, it just looks really cute. I hope you guys like this DIY as much as I did because it's definitely one of my favorites. This next DIY, we are staying very trendy. A trend for this holiday season is to actually bring in elements of nature in keeping with those natural tones and colors. So all you really need are some sticks and some string, because all we're doing here is recreating a star shape. So all you need is 5 sticks and just create the shape of a star. It's very simple and easy once again. This DIY is super simple because all you really have to do is just cut 5 sticks the same length and just tie the ends together to make sure that you're creating that star shape and have the pointy ends. It is super simple and super easy to recreate. You can create so many of these and hang them on your tree, or whether that be in your room, whatever it may be. It's super easy to do, guys, and it is so affordable. Moving on to the next DIY. This DIY would be so cute if you're having a holiday party and of course having drinks involved. So all you're really doing here is just drawing on these glasses so they're just not so plain and boring. Of course, clean them off with some rubbing alcohol. This way the permanent markers just cling on to the glass better. You can also do this onto a mug as well. Honestly, the options are endless here. You can personalize and customize these glasses or mugs, whatever it may be, to whatever you want. This would also be a cute DIY gift to give someone if they have a certain saying or something like that. So on the first glass, I just did a swirly little Christmas tree, and then the second one, I just did a bunch of swirls looking like confetti. And honestly, guys, it is so simple to recreate this. After you draw on your designs onto your glasses, you want to make sure you let them sit for a full 24 hours and then pop them into the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. This way it just makes sure that it bakes on the permanent marker so it lasts longer. This next DIY is definitely one of my favorites. I currently have it up in my room and I just absolutely love it. It's something I've seen in many stores this holiday season, and honestly, the prices of them is just kind of ridiculous for what they are. So anyways, I just went out and bought a canvas. I painted it white. As you guys can see, I did print out a picture of a deer. However, it wasn't big enough to use for a stencil, so I actually hand sketched it on. I got some silver metallic paint and just started painting in the deer. And then I wanted it to have a little more of a glam look. So I got some silver glitter and just painted that on as well. And honestly, I just love how it turned out, and it looks almost store-bought, but to me it's so much better because it is so affordable to recreate, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's super cute, and I hope you guys can recreate something like this as well. Moving on to the final DIY in this video, I honestly think I'm going to do a part 2 because I have been loving recreating things for this holiday season, Definitely let me know, even though I've already planned it out, but let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 to this DIY series for the holiday season. I would love to know. So anyways, all I did was got some wood letters to spell out joy. I also got some silver garland, whatever you may want to call it. Anyways, I just love sparkly glitter things for the holiday season. It's definitely like more modern and glam, which is definitely something I like for the holiday season. I'm not somebody that likes like the old vintage red kind of style. So anyways, I just love this, so I just hot glued it on and just trimmed up that garland so you can tell what it spells out. And again guys, this is super easy and affordable to recreate. I absolutely love it. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video and would recreate any of these DIYs. I would love to know. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a part of the fam. And we will see you guys next time. Alright, bye.